guys, and this is ESC and saying Merry Christmas to one and all. And today I am so glad and happy that I finally received the first gift that was sent to me by a friend based from Sydney, Australia. And shout out to my friend, elementary friend ko yan ha. That's Elmer Jadraque na basta nagpadala siya. And I just received it now and here it is. And thank you really so much Elmer for your generosity of sending this parcel to ESC. And he sent this one December 1st, and because of pandemic, so medyo matagal-tagal yung pagdating, and it arrived Bangkok yesterday, and then the day after I received it already. So actually services in Thailand is just very quick. It's just only that international services there is a problem, and we understand that one. And samahan niyo ako mamaya guys, and we'll be knowing what's inside of this parcel, kung ano mga nilalagay dito na aking kaibigang Elmer Jadraque. And thank you really so much sa unang papasko na to, and I love you always. Ito na nga guys, wag na natin patagalin pa at bubuksan na natin at aalamin na natin kung anong nilalaman itong pinadala na aking kaibigang Elmer Jadraque. Pero bago ko bubuksan, nahiya naman ako at ang pagpapadala pa lang, it cost already $135. My God. Pero trivia lang to guys ha. Australia really is one of the country na talagang mahal. Both travel and parcel sending is mahal talaga, whether be papunta doon or kaya from there palabas. Talagang mahal siya kasi we all know naman that Australia is an island, so it's understood na. At wag nating patagalin nga, let's open this one at simulan natin dito siguro para mapabilis tayo. Wag na natin gamitan ng scissors, mas mabilis to. At saan ba ang kanyang dulo? Diba ang box? Hindi siya ganun sa iniisip ko na box. There. Mahirap buksan. Or baka it's the other way around. But yes, it's up because the address is here. Delikado. Let's have this one. Ayun. And it's open. So, kung anong nilalaman, let's find it out. Oh, it's a plastic. And here we go. First one is we have the Nutella, and my God, it's very big. How can I eat this one? How can I consume this one? Sinong gusto nito? Just comment down kung sinong gusto nito. I can give it to you. Binigay, binipamigay din. And we have here, oh no, this is Ferrero. That's maybe for you. And here is another chocolate. This is my favorite from Australia, and it's the rock here. I think I just don't know if we can buy it, but in Thailand I never see this one. So this is one of my favorite milk chocolate actually from Australia alone. And there is another one, and it's raspberry intense. It's full of chocolate. Patay ang ubo. So there is another rakia in here, and there is roasted almond, and we have here the Kit Kat. I can buy this one in Thailand, but of course it's from Australia, so it's more valuable. And we have here coconut block, My God, ang daming chocolates pinadala. And this is really what I want from Australia. And what's this one? And this is the Jadraque road. So, ito yung pinakagusto ko talaga. Yan yung kanyang laman, which is very yummy. It's like a mixture of chocolate and coconut. May coconut nga pala talaga dyan. So, ganun siya. So, we have here 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, ang dami. It's a milk chocolate, actually. And we have here 5. Another one. Oh my God. Paano ito busin? And we have here another one. The box is full of chocolate. So I cannot consume this one. I'm alone. So there are a lot of chocolates inside. And another one. It's just chocolate. And though it's my favorite, but there are a lot. Sobrang dami ang pinadala ni Elmer. Just Elmer. And we have another here. Roasted hazelnut. And this is another sea salt caramel. And we have raspberry intense again. Puno ng chocolates. And we have here the cherry ripe. Ang laman pala are all chocolates. And what's this? There is another one. It's a candle from Australia, and I can use in my room. This is a scented candle. So thank you really, Elmer. Oh wow, may pen pa nakasama para isusulat yung kung ano yung laman na pinadala, kung ilang chocolates, so isusulat natin with the red pen. Elmer, ha? And then for the glasses. So ayun, ang laman ng ating box is just full of chocolates. And thank you again sa ating kaibigan, an elementary friend of mine, a classmate of mine, which until now we are still friends, and that's Elmer Jadraque. And thank you, and Merry Christmas also to you. And thank you for this gift that you sent me this early. And have a blessed Christmas.